Man, I missed you guys. Ooh, is that me? That's my reflection. I'm looking a little bit plump. You might say Thanksgiving treated me quite nicely. The muffin top is back and better than ever. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. We got a big video today. The Ferrari 458 is headed off to paint. We got big time house updates, and then the 911 Safari. Bought that car last week, the newest addition to the channel. We bought that car to rally that car, which is exactly what we're doing today. Come on, baby, come on. Too easy. You see, guys, last night I'm having a mental breakdown. I'm having a one-on-one session with the mirror and the beard of myself, and I don't know what to do because the beard, I love the beard, you guys like the beard, everybody loves the beard, but the girls are obsessed with the beard. I'm getting hit up constantly. It's exhausting.
You got one Snapchat notification from a girl. All of a sudden, every girl wants you.
Okay.
How many girls is it?
Just one Snapchat. Yeah. That's like infinite number more than usual. Okay, whatever, Luke. I think I need to shave the beard. I know this is kind of sort of a sensitive topic, but in the last video, we told your wife that you guys were moving in.
Yeah.
Yay or nay?
Absolutely.
Nice.
She's like super down.
Nice, nice. I can't entirely remember what I've told you guys in the last video, but we have all the accessory bedrooms right here. Luke is just taking a look at his future bedroom, bro. Hudson, your son would love this bedroom.
He would love this. He would love that bedroom. He'd love that bedroom. He'd love that bedroom. He could have like 6 bedrooms. You wouldn't even know.
I think in the future, this room is going to be the favorite room in the entire house, like the hangout room. We're going to have the glass doors right here. There's going to be a deck. We can actually look down on all of the cars, maybe a pool table, maybe a foosball table, maybe just some really nice couches. I think the nicest couch, we got to put the couch in here. It's so crazy. They just started framing the house like, what, 4 weeks ago. By the end of this week, the framing is going to be done. They're going to be installing the roof, the trusses next week. After that, the windows, the electrical, the plumbing. Before we know it, in 10 months, the house is going to be done. We're going to be moved in, like that easy. I'm sure there's going to be a delay, probably a lot of delays, but on that bombshell, today's video has been sponsored by Vessi. So obviously it's the end of November, and if you guys live in the northern hemisphere, winter is gonna be here before you know it. Snow, rain, sleet. Actually later this week, there's a winter apocalypse descending on Utah. It's gonna be the snowstorm of 2021. And luckily I have my Vessis. You guys know Vessis. You guys know I love Vessis, and that's because I wear them almost every single day. They're stylish, they're comfortable, and they're also waterproof. Not just water resistant, they're waterproof. Let me show you guys the power of the magic of Vessis. Like I said, they're not just water resistant, they're waterproof. I can see you guys are skeptical. Check this out. Power washer, straight to my shoes. My feet are completely dry. Like absolutely no big deal whatsoever. I take my shoe off. Look, my sock is completely dry. Vessis are super easy to keep clean. You can actually just rinse them off with water. And guys, they're made from Dymatex, really cool material. They actually keep your feet warm and dry in the wintertime, yet cool in the summertime. And Vessis are sustainably made. Now, using my offer code STRADMAN, you guys can get $25 off your first pair of Vessis. Just check out the link below or simply go to Vessi.com. This winter, keep your feet warm and dry. Yeah, thank me later. 1 second, go. Jeez. This FI exhaust sounds so good. Quick downshift. Now I went back and forth a lot on trying to figure out what color do we paint the Ferrari. We went with the iconic choice. I see we have a competitor right there. What? That Safari's cool, but that Safari's slow. Timing is essential. I just can't help myself. I shouldn't be driving this car. Shake and bake nation, we're back, baby. I have to admit, I'm kind of concerned about Luke. Now that he's driven a Porsche, I feel like he's gonna tell us about his cappuccinos. He's gonna care about wearing his aviators. He's not gonna be the same Luke we know and love.
Can we get any nice cashmere sweaters right
now? Oh gosh, not the cashmere. I know what a lot of you guys are thinking. The 458 looks like a piece of garbage. It looks like it was an accident. It looks so janky. Some of the reactions driving this thing down the road kind of sort of embarrassing as Luke is peeling off the wrap in the 11th hour before we drop it off for paint, per usual. And there's just adhesive caked on everywhere on this thing. It's gonna look cool, trust me. It's gonna look dope. Also, we have the carbon fiber ducktail. I think we leave that carbon fiber. Do we paint it?
Paint it.
Paint it?
100%.
All right, 100% we're painting it. I knew you were gonna say that because that's what I wanted. Oh no, we've been avoiding this guy for a while, but he's back, baby. He's back. Really? Wow. Wow. He knows how to make an entrance. He just did that in between my Safari and my 458. We haven't seen him in a month, and we're probably not gonna see him for a while. Hey, whoa, 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 whoa! You show up.
I'm gonna be right back.
Are you kidding me? He does a burnout, and he just stole the Safari. The turning radius isn't very good. Dude, don't stall it. Do not stall it. Did you hear the story? If you stall it, you can't turn it back on.
I'm not like you.
He's not like me. He's not like, wow. Do you see how Luke was just drinking his water?
What about
He drives a Porsche, now he drinks it on the side. Well, I went back and forth many times. I was trying to figure out what color do we paint the 458. There's a color called Viola Bash. Shmi 150's STO is that color. That color is super sick, but I didn't want to copy him. Blue Cephas is one of my all-time favorite colors. But yes, we went with the iconic ad personam Lamborghini Viola Parsife. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, we are bringing back the Purple Army. So it's kind of hard to see in this lighting, but if we get it just right, you can see this purple is so sick. So yes, ad personam Lamborghini color on a Ferrari. Are we gonna get a cease and desist? Most likely, but at the same time, would you have it any other way? No, you wouldn't. The contrast, like that is just glowing right there. I just love this color because you see all the flake in it. Don't pay attention to the, oh, I just touched the beard. What beard oil are you using? That's
right?
So supple.
Right?
That's so nice. Wow.
Look at how well did that contrast though.
That honestly contrasts really, really
beauty
well.
With beauty right there.
Looks so good. I cannot wait for the pink Aventador Roadster in Rosa Acanthus and the Viola Parsife 458. The tandem is gonna be unbelievable. Now, as far as the timeline on the Ferrari 458, step one, Dave has to tear apart the entire car, which he is wasting no seconds doing whatsoever as he starts to remove the wide body kit. Obviously, after that, it goes into the paint booth. We gotta paint every single panel. Now, theoretically, it'll take maybe 3 to 4 weeks. I also have a set of white wheels on order. Yes, we're going with the iconic purple with the white wheels. Now, theoretically, the car might be done by December 25th, a Christmas miracle. As always, it was a pleasure to see you, Josh. I need something motivational for the audience, something motivational.
Well, kids, if you think you can and you think you can't, you're right.
Bro.
What is that?
What do you mean, what is that?
Why does it do that?
That's my bank account, because you just broke it. No. I needed to send a couple emails. Actually, I let this guy drive one time. Are we gonna cut that from your salary?
Who drove this car last time? That guy.
Oh.
Josh drove it last.
Josh did drive it last time. Josh, you broke it! You see, boys, here's why I'm the professional. Just watch this. One time. It's only taken me one time. No big deal. So it didn't work. It definitely did not work. Josh drove this last. Like, legitimately, he drove it last. What did he do? We really need this to work. We haven't eaten all day. We got nothing. We got absolutely nothing. Old reliable. They said buy a Porsche. They said buy a Porsche. They were right. This is a sick car. Come on, baby. Let's go. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. And to think you guys doubted. You see, Luke? That's how you do it, boy. Good job. Thank you. This guy, Mikey's stealing all the downforce from us. I missed you. This thing is so dope. The RWB, all the Porsche fanboys, today's your day. If you out Safari me, I'm not gonna be happy, bro.
We're gonna try it. I mean, it's an RWB. We'll see what happens.
If we lose a fender, if we lose a splitter, it's replaceable, right?
Everything's replaceable.
Everything's replaceable.
I don't know.
With money, with the right amount of money. Mikey's phone is just ringing in his Porsche, and we're like, Mikey, I think that's your phone. And he just walks to the trash can and he's like, some girl. You get why that is, right? It's the beard.
It's the beard.
It's the beard. I am exhausted, bro. The girls are sliding into the DMs everywhere because of the beard.
We just gotta get it a little longer.
I can't imagine it for you. I'm exhausted. I don't know how you deal with it.
You just ignore the phone.
Oh no, this is happening. Are you kidding me? First light. I'm against a professional. That's a 993. He's a better driver. He's better looking. He's got a better beard, but I'm in a Safari, baby. Oh my gosh! That thing is loud! And that is the slowest race in the entire history of my channel. Both cars are slow, but we were enthusiastic. Oh, this is not good, guys. This is not good. Off camera, I made attempt number 1.
Well, we know you're not supposed to. Why'd you turn it off? We know.
I know. Well, we were eating. The boys. Food with the boys. Oh, what did you do? Keep giving it gas. Oh, baby, we're back. We're back. And to think you guys doubted. Why are they always doubting?
I think you owe Luke an apology.
Yeah, Luke needs a raise.
And a raise.
What about you're hired. You're hired.
I'll come start all your cars for you.
Yes. Oh, no. Whoa. What?
Now we're stuck.
Bro, no, it's not
we
fine.
know what to do now. Now we're stuck.
Oh, no.
Now we're stuck.
Well, we are going. somewhere. I don't think a Porsche's ever gone, but we're using this thing. It was built to be used this way, so absolutely we're gonna use it this way. This car is so sick. We're probably gonna get stuck out here at some point. I feel so guilty, but at the same we're good, more throttle, right? Jeez, this car is so well built. Yes. Atta baby, I'm a natural. I keep going to the handbrake to shift gears. Okay, we're gonna try the 180-degree turn. I have not mastered it, but it's something like, no. So, I have a lot of learning to do. I'm not a professional, but at the same time, practice makes perfect. So a couple things we've learned about the Kelly Moss Racing 964 911. This thing is like indestructible. It is absolutely incredible. The suspension, it actually rides better on the trails than the TRX, which is kind of sort of a surprise. It is the most comfortable off-roader I've ever driven in my entire life. It's so capable. I gotta learn how to use that handbrake, but like Ken Block, I'm coming for you, boy.
You just called out Ken Block. You chill out.
I just called out the most followed personality in the sports world, Ken Block, who also lives in Utah. Ken, if you're watching today's video, a drift off. That's obviously a complete joke. I'm an idiot and I don't even know how to drift. Well, today's video has been a lot of fun and games, but we have a very special celebrity guest floop, Oscar. Hey, bud. We missed you. Where you been, bud? Where you been? That was a crazy day. In summer, we got a lot going on. So by Christmas Day, my house should be roughed in. So everything should be up. It should be fully enclosed. The Ferrari should be painted purple and on the road. The Nissan GTR should have 1,400 wheel horsepower. The twin-turbo Lamborghini Gallardo should be back here in the state of Utah. And the Aventador Roadster that's getting the custom interior in Florida should be done as well. It's gonna be a good Christmas. Today's video is over. Yeah. Let a professional show you how it's done. You see? Yeah, he's out. Oh, you think he knows how to fix this? Bro, do you even know what's in here? Exactly. You see?
There we go. All right. Look at
Another day in the life of two idiots.
it's that right there.
Yeah, that's the issue right there. The supercharger.
Yeah. It's not the supercharger, James. That's it.
I was looking at the supercharger. I'm not an idiot. Oh my gosh.